Hi everyone, so hope you all are doing great. So today we will create a program to merge and remove duplicates from two lists in Python. So here are our two lists, list A and list B. So the first thing we will do is we'll define a function and we'll pass these two lists as an argument and we'll write our logic in that function only. So let's start and define the function. So define merge and sort list. We'll pass list 1 and list 2. Then to merge these two lists, what we'll do is array1 plus array2. So this will merge these two lists. Now we want to remove duplicates from these two lists. So we have inbuilt Python function called set. So we'll use set function to remove duplicates. Now we want to sort it as well. So we have another inbuilt Python function sorted. Then there you go. So the first thing, we'll merge these two lists. This set will remove duplicates from that list and this sorted will sort this list. Now let's return it. That's it, there you go. We have function ready for merge and sort the list. So let's call that function variable c is equals to merge and sort list, and we will pass list A and then B. Now let's print it. Let's print it with the f string. Our merge and sorted list. There you go. Let's run it. We don't have any errors in the program. That's good. There you go. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Since in list A we have 1 2 5 and then list B we have some values that we already have in list A and some values which are not in list A. So that is 6 and 7, I think. Yeah. So let's try with some different amounts. Let's make 7 a 1 and these a 2. So now we should only get 1 2 3 4 5. Let's run it. No errors. Perfect. There you go. 1 2 3 4 5. So that's it. These are program and logic to merge and remove duplicates from a list, and we also sorted it. Now if you have any kind of questions and if you want me to apply more logic, or if you want to find what else we can do with this, you can write it in the comment section and I'll make another video for that. Moreover, I'll also provide my email ID and you can ask me any questions on my email and I will love to answer those questions. So thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.